So number 1 and 2, I'm going to do for you for the practice test. Okay, for chapter 4, algebra 2.
I did not notice you put algebra 3 chapter 4.
Yeah, I'll change it. Last year we called it algebra 3. This year it's algebra 2B or something like that. So, all right. So to do this first stuff, we're talking about exponential growth and exponential decay. The key to understanding whether something is exponential is that the variable is an exponent. If the variable is an exponent, you're going to have exponential growth or decay, most likely. Now, I say most likely because every once in a while you'll have an exponent of x or t or something, and even if you have the exponent as a variable of 1 or 0, you know, you can change that to 15. 1 to the 15th power is the same as 1 to the 30th power. It's the same to everything. Okay? So it's always 1, and 0 will always be 0. Okay? Except 0 to the 0 power is 1. So when you change the t on 0 and on 1, it doesn't really change them. Okay? So you can't have exponential growth or decay. It actually just stays the same. With that said, if you have a number between 0 and 1, you're going to have decay. Okay? If that number is less than 1, you're going to have decay. If that number is greater than 1, you're going to have growth. Okay? And so, the easiest way to tell if something is greater than or less than 1 is if you have a small number on the top and a big number on the bottom. That will be, the big number on bottom will be decay. Okay? A large number on top and a small number on bottom will be growth. If you have a fraction. Okay? So when we look at this, what do we see? 6 to the x. 6 to the x tells me what? Growth or decay? Growth. Now, so we have growth. Now, does it matter what's in front of it? It doesn't matter what's in front, does it? Okay? So what about this next one? That's the hard one, right? That's one where we have trouble. It's so growth. Right? So, yes, growth. It's larger on the top than it is on the bottom. This is still going to be growth. Okay? What about this one? 1 to the x.
Thank you.
1 to the x.
Neither.
It's neither. Okay? And then 1/9.
Okay.
Decay. All right. So that's number 1. Number 2 has to do with the same aspect, except this time we're putting money away, getting interest. Our interest level is 6.75%. We got to change that to a decimal, 0.0675. What we want to do is plug it in the equation. So we have 90,000 times the quantity of 1.0675 raised to the 32. Okay? And that should yield us, someone figure that out for me? Phone. Grab a calculator.
Am I supposed to say 50? Is that supposed to be 50 by t?
Yeah. The student wanted to go from 18 to 50, right? So 90,000 times the quantity of 1.0675 raised to the power of 32 is 727,804 and 59 cents, because it's 58.5 and the 5 is going to push the 8 up to 9. Okay, so $727,804.59.